Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change the sound for your Memories notifications on Messenger. If you've ever wanted a custom tone that stands out from your other alerts, this quick walkthrough will make it simple. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the settings on your phone. This is where all of the app and notification controls live, so head straight there. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to see the full list of applications installed on your device. From that list, find and select Messenger. As soon as you tap on it, you'll see a variety of options specific to the app, covering everything from data usage to notification management. What we're interested in today is notification settings, so go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, look for something called Notification Categories. This section lets you dig deeper and control specific types of alerts within Messenger, rather than just turning everything on or off. Tap on Notification Categories, and here you'll see different types of notifications the app uses. Now, locate the one labeled Memories. This is the exact category linked to those reminder-style notifications that Messenger might surface for you. Select it, and then you'll find the option called Sound. Tap on Sound, and you'll be given a list of tones and alerts available on your device. Here's where you can make it personal. Scroll through and choose a sound that grabs your attention, whether it's something subtle or something bold. Once you've chosen, confirm your selection, and it's instantly set as the new sound for your Messenger Memories notifications. That's it. Just a few taps, and you've customized the way Messenger sounds when it reminds you of past memories. This little change makes it much easier to recognize the notification without even looking at your phone, and it adds a touch of personalization to your experience. So now you know exactly how to change the sound for your Memories notifications on Messenger with the latest steps. Thanks for watching.